Hello guys! Today I'm going to teach how to make a Quickbook accountant account for free, and you can also practice for free about the certification questions. And there is same as test drive, but the one thing of difference is you can save in this site. So I recommend to use this site, so I will let you know how to use it. So this is the site. I'm going to click the sign up. And follow the steps. Put your email address, your name, your last name, and number, password. When you're signed in here, go to sign in and click the QuickBooks Pro Advisor program. And I'll put my ID. It's my Korean ID, so I use it. And then text a code. And you got the text from your cell phone for your cell phone. And click continue. Now it is very different with test drive. This Pro Advisor, and go to training and click certification. And you can take the exam in here about the Quickbook Online Certification. There is a certification sample questions too. So I'll click this one. And there's practice test. And you can get a test in here. Like this. So the first question is, if QuickBooks Online was set up correctly, what figure should you expect to see in the opening balance equity account balance? Check answer, and it opens the answer. Yeah, like this, you can training with these questions. And there is also specialty courses about everything. And it is very same with some test drive in here, but the big difference is in this page we can save. So if you want to save or information, you can use this site instead of test drive. Okay, how's your experience about this? So get used to sign in and use it for several times. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next video. Bye!